Sharpies are really only permanent against water. For real though, look at all the other stuff that's about to obliterate the Sharpie ink. We got ethyl acetate, we got toluene, we got acetone, we got isopropyl alcohol, this non-acetone nail polish remover from the pharmacy. Even cyclohexanes will do it if you're willing to like scrub at it a little bit. And this is all because the pigments in the ink, they're mixed with these hydrophobic resins and other additives that make it very water insoluble. But you know, it's ink, it still has to flow. So they mix the ink with organic solvents and alcohols like isopropanol, and that lets the ink flow out the tip of the pen onto your writing surface. And then once it hits the writing surface, all those organic solvents dry, and that leaves you with the pigments that won't be removed by water. But organic solvents like toluene and ethyl acetate, those are a lot like the solvents used in the original ink. So they can still kind of dissolve the mix and remove the mark. That's why you can erase Sharpie from a whiteboard by just covering it with dry erase marker ink and then wiping it away, because the ink from the dry erase marker is like the ink from the Sharpie originally and will kind of dissolve it and let you wipe it away. But this doesn't work on porous surfaces like paper or your clothing, because these materials, they soak up the ink, so it's not just on the surface, it's actually like embedded in the material. So while solvents will still remove a fair amount of the ink, they might also remove like the color that's in the clothing altogether. So maybe don't try that. Labeling containers of leftovers though, works like a charm.